Wuh. Alamuti. Alamuti. Tuh, barang-barang kita. Kita sekarang lagi di Hotel Moab. Hotel Utah. Udah, kita bakalan lanjutkan petualangan kita. Tuh di situ tuh ada gondola kayaknya. Tuh di atas ada gondola tuh, bro. Enaknya di sini nih, di hotel kita ada laundry room. Jadi laundry room itu kita pakai duit 25 sen quarter. Kita bisa nyuci semua. Jadi kita memang udah kita rencanain juga. Di sini bawa bajunya yang secukupnya aja. Cuman kita ntar pergi ke laundry room. You know park? You wanna go to the park?
Yes, I want to go to the park.
Let's go. Come on. We're going to the park. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sekarang cuacanya lagi -3 Celcius. Waduh, cuman nggak salju sih, cuman -3, bro. Dingin, 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 dingin. View Utah. Moab, Utah. Lihat tuh. Keren. Dinginnya luar biasa, bro. Rehan, are you feeling cold today? Are you freezing? Okay. We're not gonna take long in here. We're gonna go home because it's freezing, okay?
There's an airplane.
Where you wanna go?
Let's go for cocktail.
Can I go there? Can I sit down there?
Yes, you can.
Ada Ziad, come here. Sini, ayo. Let's fly. Are you ready to fly?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Woo, 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 woo. Ayo, mari kita swing di hari ini. Kita bling swing di hari ini. Ayo, let's go. Let's swing. Rehan, hold on, be quiet. They have a bird over there. Let's go. We're gonna take a picture of the bird. Burung gagak, bro. Ah, he's flying, Rehan. What?
Next time we go, I make a door here and you.
Don't do that again.
Huh?
Don't do that again.
I'm
Don't do that again. What are you doing? Don't do that. Kita di Arches National Park. This everybody. Lihat, Rehan. Hey.
He's sick. Look at the stick.
Tuh batuannya bisa kayak bergantungan gitu, bro.
It's echolocation.
This echolocation, Rehan.